What's up, webworkers? Amar here, and in this short video we're going to see how to split the PLR content to use as blog posts. So in this video series we will be talking about lots of tips to leverage the PLR content and make money out of it, and also drive lots of traffic to your websites. So please subscribe to the channel and make sure you hit the notification bell so you will be notified anytime we publish a new video. So now let's jump into today's tip. So today we will see how to split the content for use as blog posts or articles. We will rewrite those pieces of content to ensure originality and to insert the keywords that are relevant to our website or to our audience. Lots of people do not like the word rewrite, but it doesn't really require lots of work. All you have to do is adapt the phrases and the paragraphs to your needs. And of course, by adding your personal keywords, you will have also to change a little bit the phrases and the paragraphs. So you can take some time to play with that piece of content, and then when it's ready, you can get it out there. And this is, of course, one great way to grow your business. Now let's just go ahead and see today's example. So here are some PLR products that I downloaded, and one of them is talking about building your personal brand. So if I open that, I have lots of items in it. If I go to reports and then open the source file, I will find out that this is a Word document. So building your personal brand and becoming an influencer, a step-by-step guide. There is an introduction, and there is chapter 1, what is a personal brand, and then chapter 2, why you need to build your personal brand, etc. So I see that the chapter number 2 is a little bit long. It's long enough to be a good article, a good blog post. And also chapter 3, how to build a personal brand, is also interesting as a blog post. So what can we do here is like split this to 2 articles, one containing the introduction and the chapter 2. And then if we go down in the document, so chapter 2 ends here, and then we have chapter 3, how to build a personal brand, which goes all the way to the end of the document. So I have here 2 pieces of content that are great. So what I have to do next is rewrite them by trying to insert your keywords, the keywords that you want to rank for, and then of course making some changes to make it better. You can keep it like this because you own the right to do whatever you want with the content, but you have always to read the PLR license that you got. But usually you can use the content as you like. So what I used to do is split the content and then inject the keywords that I want to rank for inside the content, and then post the content on my website. So now let's say that you decided to go further and post those articles into your website or blog. So you need to make a collection of keywords that you want to rank for. So you can use this tool here, it's free. It's called keywordtool.io, and then you type the main keyword, like for example in my case I put personal brand, and then there are some suggestions here. So this free version does not give you the search volume or any other details, but you can like guess yourself or use other tools to determine what are the best keywords to use. So you can see here personal branding strategy, personal brand social media, personal brand website. So I'm going to select any keyword that I like here, and there is this button here at the bottom. When you click copy or export, you can copy them to your clipboard and then paste them anywhere you want, and then publish the content with those keywords. So now here I am on one of my websites. It's a WordPress website, so I can go ahead and publish. So I go posts and then add new, and I have the space where I can put my content, and I have also a free version of Yoast SEO, which will help me optimize the article for the search engines. I have this place here where it says tags, where I can put the tags that I copied earlier, and then I want to grab the content from the Word document and paste it here. So all I have to do is go to the Word document and then grab the title, which is here in this case chapter 2, why you need to build a personal brand. Copy that and then take it and paste it into the editor here. And then here is the body of the article, so I'm going to copy everything until chapter 3, before chapter 3 starts. So I will stop right here and then copy and then paste that content here, knowing that you already worked on rewriting and injecting the keywords in this content. Also, a good idea will be putting some pictures and images here to make the readability good. Now you can see at the bottom of my post here, readability is good. The Yoast SEO says that the phrases are well done, the paragraphs as well, but the SEO, because I didn't enter a key phrase here, the main keyword, I don't have a color here, so I need to work with this a little bit before posting the article. So here's what I will do next, but not in this video. I'm just saying that I will add some pictures, some nice pictures, relevant pictures to the topic, and optimize them as well. And also I will work with the plugin in order to have everything green, readability and SEO. Once everything is green, I go ahead and publish this article. So I am publishing it, and then we will take a look at it. So once it's published, here is the result. So this is the main title, and then the chapter 2 is all the way here on this page. We're missing some pictures, we're missing some optimization, but I'm sure you will have the time to do that. So this is one piece of content that is now trying to rank in the search engines, and it can bring you some traffic to your website. So imagine doing this many times, like once a day. So this will be a great source of traffic for you. So here is another advantage of PLR content, that this PLR material is very versatile. So purchasing an ebook, for example, can give you a great number of blog posts or articles you can post to your website, and it's more cost effective because you purchase them at a low price and you can break them as much as you like. So if you have a varied customer base, you can split into what works for each group of your customers, and they can even spark new ideas for you so that you can create yourself. And then so once you get started, the possibilities are endless. Well, I hope that you enjoyed watching this video, and again, please subscribe to the channel so you will not miss the future tips, and I will see you on the next tip.